Welcome to LiftOff News. LiftOff Global Network, launching your filmmaking career. To catch all of our latest content, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification icon. We hope you all had a wonderful Halloween celebration and watched some true horrific horror films along the way. This week, we'll be talking about Amsterdam LiftOff Film Festival, Paris LiftOff Film Festival, the American film market, LiftOff Sessions, and all of the deadlines that are fast approaching.
So Amsterdam LiftOff Film Festival's network round goes live tomorrow, and we are very excited for our members to watch the short and feature film finalists. The Vimeo on-demand round of Paris LiftOff Film Festival closes tonight at 10 p.m. BST. So the network round for that will be announced very shortly after Amsterdam.
Then moving on to AFM. So applications closed last night for AFM. We'll be going through those and we'll be picking a handful that we'll be representing and taking to our meetings. We also have a lot of content coming out on our YouTube channel, where we'll be talking to different sale agents and distributors about the best way for independent filmmakers to approach the marketplace and to approach these companies. Lots of incredible advice, which I highly recommend you giving a watch. We'll be releasing those during AFM from the 9th to the 13th of November.
We also have our LiftOff Sessions and our First Time Filmmaker Sessions. These are monthly festivals on Vimeo On Demand. They're free for gold members to submit to on FilmFreeway, and they're just £1 for everybody else, which includes this exclusive ebook full of all our sort of tips and advice that we've gathered from the 10 years of LiftOff.
And then moving on to the final deadlines. So Sydney and Melbourne LiftOff head to the final deadlines, and so does London. We will also be sending out official selections for the Sydney and Melbourne LiftOff Film Festival later this week. And that is it. That is the LiftOff news for the next 2 weeks. Stay in touch and enjoy what's coming up.
Take care. Bye-bye.